Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about 7 important signs the law of attraction is working for you. So if you like the video related to manifestation power, I would like to request you all please do subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin, let's go. 7 important signs the law of attraction is working for you. While you might immediately think that it's obvious when the law of attraction is working for you, note that the process is often so much more subtle than you might first suppose. This happens even with those with years of experience in manifesting. If you're waiting for your dreams to manifest, look out for the following 7 common and reassuring signs that the universe is on the verge of delivering what you want. 7 manifestation signs provide the law of attraction is working. First, enhanced intuition. When your intuition is sharpening, you know it. For example, you might say something in unison with someone else, or even know what they will say before they speak. Or you might just get the sense that a particular person is about to contact you right before they do. Intuition can be very powerful, and it's so important to follow it when it strikes. These type of experience will tell you that the frequency of your reality is beginning to accelerate and that you are on the path to manifesting your intention. It can even be a little bit scary sometimes, but don't let this stop you. You are so close to getting what you want. Just follow your heart and don't let anything stand in your way. Second part, seeing the numbers 111 or 11 is to 11. According to the numerology expert, so-called angel numbers 111, 1111 and 11 is to 11 are all said to indicate that things in your life are aligning beautifully and flowing in the right direction. You might notice these numbers in all kind of places, for example on your clock, on the license plates of passing cars, on building you visit, or even as a part of your grocery bill. Regardless of where they appear, know they could well be an encouraging sign that the law of attraction is working for you, that you are progressively becoming more competent at creating your own reality. Third, better sleep and deeper dreams. When you are learning how to use the law of attraction to its full potential, you become very trusting of the universe. A natural result is a better, more restful sleep that leaves you feeling energetic and refreshed. In addition, you will likely find that your dreams take a newly realistic quality and that they are both positive and peaceful in nature. Your subconscious responds to your deliberate choice to go for love over fear and to the reduction in anxiety that comes with self-care. So, if you are enjoying vivid, wonderful dreams and long night of blissful rest, your manifestation potential is definitely heightening. Fourth part, the appearance of spirit guides. Are there certain animals or totems that mean something special to you? Perhaps you tend to connect a particular type of bird with feeling of happiness, or maybe past experience have led you to view an object like a white feather or heart-shaped stone or as a personal sign. When you are vibrating at a high frequency and the law of attraction is working well for you, you will tend to see more of these spirit guide animals or items. They let you know you are on the right path. If you don't think you have a spirit guide, consider researching a meditation that can help you connect with the symbol of your intention. Fifth part, more money comes your way. Your natural state is actually one of abundance, and the universe wants this for you. As a result, when you are moving towards the successful manifestation, you may often find that you encounter more and more money in unexpected places. The process typically starts in the small ways. Think finding money in an unexpected pocket on the street or down the side of the sofa. But depending on your intention, you can start encountering large sums as well. For example, through gift, inheritances, or lucky wins. No matter whether you find big or small amount of cash, be sure to sit and contemplate your gratitude, as this will only help you attract more good things into your life. Sixth, seeing rainbows. People often tell stories of seeing a rainbow on the day they met their soulmate or got their dream job. Sometimes a rainbow inexplicably show up on another related day, such as the day of your wedding. In general, rainbows are said to represent complete clarity and are rumored to be a source of magical energy. Regardless of whether you believe that, rainbows are certainly capable of boosting your mood and focusing your mind on positivity. As you gaze in or at the stunning beauty of the rainbow, your vibration heightens and you are more apt to attract the things you desire. Seventh part, increased synchronicity. Finally, one of the clearest signs that the law of attraction is working for you is a marked increase in synchronicity. This can come in all kind of form. For example, you might start meeting more and more people who can help you on your way to love, success, financial abundance, or great happiness. You might marvel at how the next step towards manifestation seems to be naturally unfolding before you. Trust these opportunities and grab as many of them as you can. So that's all about the law of attraction in this video. I hope you all liked it. Before signing off, I would like to request you all, please do like, share, subscribe this video with a loved one so that they will get to know better. This is Karen signing off. We will definitely meet in the next video with my other content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.